guys, what's up? And today we'll be making slime with my friend and with a bowl, salt, and soap.
And this pen, which we're just going to be starting.
Okay.
So first we're going to take our bowl and put our soap in. If you have one of these Dawn things, just put 5 to 6 squirts.
It's not coming out. Here.
I guess it's running out. It's really running out. Ours is really empty. Twist it. Getting it all out.
We'll just take all of it out because it would have took all of it out anyway. Alright. So, next we use soap.
Salt.
Salt. Salt.
Salty.
Salty. What do we call Gobi? Salt. Cheeseburger with side of fries.
Yeah.
Some extra salt.
Alright, put some salt.
Salty, 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 salty.
Put like 5 to 6, both salty, salties.
Some
And just stir.
big. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Since we already did one, then we'll just do.
So I don't want to do this. Let me try something like that.
If it's not working, just add more salt. Oh, that's nice. It's looking good. It's what it's supposed to look like.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
I'm just joking with him.
Alright, this is working. So, okay.
I think we might need a little more soap.
Yeah, we'll grab some more soap.
I don't know what anything
We're
is.
grabbing more soap. We barely had any, so it's not really working. Sorry for the hold up. It's salt. Okay, that's enough salt because salt makes it more
Like
wet. Runny.
runny wet stuff. I'm just mixing this. Actually, if this doesn't work, because last time I did this, me and Bray did it, it worked, but sometimes it doesn't work. So, if it doesn't work, we might just end up like putting it back in the bottle and using it for something. Gonna add a little more salt. Make it a little more colory. Ooh, the bluish color. See if we can make it a little darker. It's not going any darker. Oh, it's getting lighter. But it's getting more runnier. Oh, he's back! Yay!
Like the soap. I got a sparkly soap.
I put
Sparkles.
I put some-
Sparkles.
some more salt in, so
Dude, that makes it more runny.
yeah. But I needed like to make it a bigger color, better color, I should say. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's working.
Now it is.
Now it is because like we have more soap. How
And
many?
I think we're gonna need moisture. Sham. And we're gonna add, I think, a little bit to glue to make it less runny. If you don't have glue, another thing you can use, if you don't have glue like we have, you can just run up and grab shaving cream, which not most people have it. Most people do have it, but if you don't, you can just grab some glue.
It smells good, but it probably doesn't taste so well. There's a lot of soap and salty. The glue, I'm pretty sure, is what might help it because it's like super runny.
got me
Look,
Elmer's,
see?
got me Elmer's glue. So
Alright.
I'm gonna open it. It's Elmer's glue in there.
We may need like 1 or 2 bottles.
So I wrote 2.
Alright. Ooh, yeah. Gonna need that.
And now the soap. That'll make it more dry.
Ooh, it's less runny now. Oh, I forgot there was glue in there. Ugh.
No.
There we go. Start dumping this one too.
That's my mom's bed. She uses that for work. I think we need some more soap. This soap.
And then I squeeze these bottles.
Working on it.
Yeah. We may need some shaving cream, you know, to make it less watery and fluffy.
Yeah, it's still,
To make it fluffy.
still is pretty watery.
Yeah, just to make it fluffy. Oh god. I sort of want to add this back into the bottle.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, that's enough.
Hold on, I gotta add the other stuff with the glue. Oh, got all over me. Alright. Pull.
Instead of saying do not try this at home, do not try to make a mess at home.
It's
Do
better.
not do the messy things that Christian is doing.
Bray!
Or me.
The pen sliding in.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab something flippy.
Ooh. It's less fluff. It's less. Oh, I made a mess on the table with the glue. We did not plan this to not make a mess. As you see, it's pretty nice and thick, you know? See that? Now I have glue all over my hands. Now we're gonna mix it some more. Less. Gotta get it from the sides. It's less, what is it? Well, I can't say it's less liquidy, but still pretty cool. Look at this pen. It's drying up, getting all over my hands. May add a little more soap. Make it some more. The shaving cream is what's gonna make it fluffy. To make it squeezier. Oh my god. Guys, this was clean in the beginning. It is messed up right now. I tell you, messed up. Bray? I think that's him. Bray. Bray?
Yeah.
We
don't have anything.
We're screwed.
I'm kidding.
Oh, good.
Got it. Got shaving creams.
Well, you know, women's gotta shave their legs. Women's. Ugh.
Weirdest shaving cream I've ever seen in my life. It is working! No.
Bryce, I don't think we need it more. You're
I
retarded.
gotta clean the table.
What?
I gotta clean all of this.
Dude, you got it all over.
Sorry I wasn't here for some of the video, but you can compromise on this one. You're going to use wrapping paper.
Wrapping paper to clean. Wow, I can't eat today.
Couldn't think of a better DIY.
I think we need some more. It's not as, you messed up.
It's working. My table. We're not making a mess, I promise.
Totally not.
No.
We need to make a mountain.
Mountain.
Whoa! We're gonna make a huge mess. Your mom is not gonna be happy about this.
Probably you. What was that? Did you just say I wasn't going to be happy about this?
Happy about what? Nothing. Oh, it's
Now
more.
big time. This bag is actually really cleaning it.
It's
DIY,
working.
use a bag.
It's working. The shaving cream worked. See?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Feel nice? Okay, P.S. Don't use as much stuff as we're using.
We made a mess. My hands are complete glue.
Oh, this is actually... I just need a little more shaving cream because it's still a little wet.
Do you have food coloring?
Oh, yeah.
Go get some so we can color this up.
Can I make a smiley face and show you the audience?
What?
Oh, stir again. Sorry. Sorry, I'm feeling a lot. Jesus, this is not working. Well, it's working.
Oh, we need a bigger bowl.
It's overflowing.
It's gonna get me.
It's out to get you.
Hey, what about the nose? We can't lift it. Grayson, that's not a nose.
That is our guy. We're going to show you our slime.
Grayson, don't drop that.
If I drop this, I would be in deep trouble. This is our slime creation.
Bray, look at the mess you made.
Okay, I need serious. Go grab napkins quick.
I don't know what it is.
Just ask my mom for them.
Okay. We made a little mess.
Okay. Okay. This is working. It's working. Trying to put all the slime back into it. It's like foamy. It's like This is how we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands.
We're back! Oops, sorry about that. We had to go get some paper towel. Because Bray made a mess. Ain't that right, Bray? Bray? Dang, he's still not back. Bray? I'll be back. Do you need me? We're back! Bray, you better quit.
Where's the napkins?
Oh, right there. Did you grab a bigger bowl?
No, grab it.
Really?
I thought we grabbed it. Bowl. Grab it, Sophie.
It dropped.
And it's clean.
Sorry. Well, Bray made a huge mess. I'm gonna keep picking it. It's starting to get a little foamy.
I don't know if that's good.
I don't know if that's good or not. Oh! It looks like slime. It feels like, oh god.
It feels like glue. And borax. And
It feels like shaving cream. I sort of got it all over my hands. Bray? Bray?
oh my gosh.
Oops. I gotta mix it around. Oh, shh! I told you to grab a bigger bowl. I told you.
Lift it and put it on your hair.
Oh, shit, I almost dropped it.
Okay, put it right in the middle. Dead in the middle, dude. Dead in the middle. Pick it up.
Blue. You might want to. No more.
It works. It's actually working.
We gotta just mix it up with our hands. It's like shaving cream slime. So fun. The soap.
It only lasts a certain amount of time.
Ah! It doesn't smell good. Smell, Bray. Oh, that sounded weird. Listen. Right. We just made a huge mess.
I believe.
And your mom told us to not do that. We gotta fill some shaving cream. Well, it's not shaving cream, it's slime now.
Try as best as you can. That works. Stick your finger in there. Oh, you're dripping, you're dripping.
Oh. This is not ending well.
Alright, ready? I'm grabbing another towel. Where's the towel? No, one hand. I'm only washing your left hand.
Which one?
Left hand.
Oh, that feels a lot better.
Just wrap it for right now.
Oh. Oh, it feels so.
Sorry. Alright, so we're gonna do something.
We can't be too loud because his sister's trying to sleep.
I don't think we're accomplishing it.
No.
Oh, grab that, grab that. Just gonna wrap it.
Oh, it didn't work.
Getting some.
It's working slowly. This did not work like we planned.
It'll work.
You might want to go get the garbage can because.
You will grab it.
What are you
Just go grab a
doing,
bag.
Gray?
Grab a bag.
Why didn't we just put it in the Elmer's glue? You retard. My hands are too slippery. Can't
And now we pull it out. And it's partly clean. Clean it up.
I like this.
Just get a ton on your pointer finger. Just on your pointer finger. Just stick your pointer finger. Dude, you're not doing it right. Dripping.
I'm gonna like this. Oh my god, it's getting all over.
Sure to dump it in there. Start shoving it in there. It's like, just take big clunk of this. Put a big clunk and just hold it over top of it and let it go. It's working.
It is.
Now grab everything from the side.
Very slow. We should have made this before we did any of this. I bet this YouTube video is gonna be like an hour. Because, like, this is taking forever.
Do you want to take it slower and just throw all that away and just...
No. We took a time on that.
Get it go a little bit faster.
Just need a little bit of salt. Put the salt in there.
Salty salt. Alright, now just do that thing where you just put a ton over top of it.
Like this.
No, over top of the thing. Just let her go. Just let it go. And now just... Here,
Hey, Brayson.
scrub everything off and just try to get it back in the bowl. Back in the bowl.
We should have used the Elmer's glue because the holes are bigger. Clean it all off and then put it in the Elmer's glue instead. Can't get these off.
We actually got quite a few of it in there.
You might want to take these caps off of the Elmer's glue first, though.
A lot on the side.
Look at your mom's soap.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. And then he just goes. That was weird. Why did it go?
This was just fun. Alright, and try to just pour it in here. Off the bowl. Off the bowl.
Oh, like this?
Just leave the bowl open. Try to...
Like this?
Yeah.
It's working. It's working. It's
Oh, just
working.
no.
It worked.
I got a good idea.
Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Holy turtles. Sorry. I'm being slow. I don't think we're accomplishing when your mom said don't make too much noise.
Oh, I got a good idea. How about when we put it in there so we don't have to wipe off the bottle every 5 seconds? You're bringing that.
Oh, sorry.
You grab some of that and just...
My hand is full. It's not even, I guess it's white, but not the regular white your freaking face is supposed to be.
Hold that.
Bray, this pen was like regular and now it's like all slimy. Well, I can't say it's slime, it's just shaving cream.
And glue, which makes slime.
Yeah, duh. It's very sticky. We didn't add contact solution in this, that's why.
It's the salt. This says contact solution.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Alright, wait. Don't add anything else.
It's working.
Why didn't we just make it?
I don't know.
Get this over with.
So we can.
Alright, I'm just...
How much is in there? How much is in there first?
Stick.
Oh.
Start sticking it. Take it off the side. The spoon would be a lot easier.
Yeah. Why didn't you just grab a plastic spoon?
Can you grab me like something that...
How much is in there?
Quite a few actually.
Holy crap. That thing's full.
Alright, now this is the second step.
Are we actually gonna do that?
Go grab a cup of water. We're just gonna pour a little water in there.
Can you give me a couple paper towels? But my face is just, I can't itch my face.
Wash your hands. Just go upstairs and wash your hands.
Oh, messy. Just let me get some of it off. At least.
I'll go grab it.
Hold on, Bray.
Actually, bring this cup when you go to wash your hands. Just like bring it like this. Like this.
Why?
Put it in there. So you don't get it dirty, and then go wash your hands and then fill that with water. Come back
I don't think I'm gonna make it up all the way. How am I gonna open this door? I dropped it.
Just got it.
Alright, the door.
Oh my gosh, this is stupid of us.
Why didn't we just make it in those?
Come here,
I
dude.
gotta go wash my hands.
Alright, go do it.
What about the gate?
Close it down, all the way down. I mean,
Right.
what?
It's locked.
Oh.
So you might as well come up. Stop coming and getting dirty.
Rolling out the goods.
Alright, guys. We're back, but I
After
don't know
half an hour,
how long this is gonna be because
You
it's
just-
already been 34 minutes.
just skip through most of it,
If you want.
is what I recommend.
But I'm gonna be.
You're gonna have that?
Hold on, I
Give
wanna
me
put
that.
it
It's
on.
gonna have slime in it.
I'm gonna give you another one.
Okay.
Oh, it hit me. Sorry. Guys, look at me.
He's a Chinese donkey.
My eyes are so slant I can't see. Here you go.
see if this works.
Dude, Bray. It's gonna come out the bottom.
Yeah, that's the point.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. See if it's coming out.
Go get a scissors. That really burns scissors. Oh, where? Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take everything
I'm
we
gonna cut a
want.
little bit at the end.
Yeah, that's what I want you to do. So oh, what? I'm just glad it's just water. It'll evaporate eventually.
Oh well.
Okay, now grab that with this. No, bring this over here. Bring this over here. Bring this over here. No, set it in there. Set it in there.
What?
Grab a bag.
Bag for what?
Bag for stuff. Grab
Where?
a bag. Over there. There's tons of them. Grab everything we want. Everything we don't want.
This is all
Just take
party
everything
crap.
out.
I like party stuff. Sorry about this, Mary.
Alright, now.
And if you don't know who Mary is, it's his mother. Sorry about
Say
this.
that.
Sorry about this, Mary. If you're watching,
She's not going.
thank God she's not gonna watch this.
How we made a mess in our house, and what should we call it? We should call it. Alright, open it wide.
Oh yes.
Going for the white thing.
Wide.
Our last piece.
We used the whole roll.
Yup.
God, we were messy.
Oh, I can use the water to get it a little wet.
Good job. How long has this video been going?
I don't know, probably like half an hour like this.
It's been going for 37 minutes. Who's ever been watching for this long? Holy crap, thank you. I've actually never seen a video this long unless it's like a live stream on video games, right? You've never seen a vlog this long?
Oh.
Oh. Well, we're done now. So, are we done using this?
No, we haven't used it. Oh, wait, no, get that out of there quick. Quickly. Okay, move. Translate. Oh my god, no.
Shoot.
Oh, you were lucky. No.
Dude, my good pants, guys. My good pants.
Who cares about
No.
your good pants?
Bray, I care about my good pants. My mom cares about my good pants. We gotta quit going upstairs. I told you don't get dirty. Bray. Oh well, we'll still make it upstairs.
Oh, we're getting really lucky. We're getting really lucky. No. We gotta get the balloon.
Oh crap! I forgot about the balloon. Where's the balloon?
Cut that in half.
What?
Cut that even more.
This?
Yeah. How about we just try this now? Get that out of here. Throw it in the bag.
I don't want to get all dirty though. Oh, bad idea. It got on the pillow.
Alright, fix it with this.
There we go.
And
Can I throw it away?
wipe me. I'll grab this.
This is all. Oh crap.
Okay.
Your mom's not gonna be happy about this.
Yep, she's not. Please subscribe because all we're gonna have to go to because of this video. It's gonna be a lot, so.
Please subscribe.
And please skip through the parts where we're gone because we apologize for it. You wasted.
I want to mix it again.
Here, can I smell?
But I threw the pen away. What are you doing? How the did that get all dirty? Comment down below if you guys watch FaZe Rug.
I guess I will comment down below.
What about your favorite YouTuber?
Probably Izzyland, probably.
Azzyland, you mean?
Yeah, sorry, I pronounced it wrong. Yeah, probably Izzyland.
She's pretty funny.
Yeah.
I watched her. But now I watch SS Sniper Wolf. She's pretty cool.
Okay, that's not working.
I still have another one.
Put this in there, put this in there, put this in
I still have another one. I still have another one, though, Bray. Frick! Sorry. Keep getting a mess. You gotta quit getting a mess.
there. You gotta stop yelling.
We're just gonna put it in the blue now because
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
we're gonna make